In this lecture, we are going to see the work done against gravity in pulling hanging part of a chain on the table. So let us consider this is our chain and the total mass of the chain is capital M and total length of the chain is capital L. And let us suppose that the hanging part of the chain is having length L by N. So we have to pull the L by N part of the chain over the table. First we will take a small element of the hanging part. Let us consider a small element of the chain at a distance y from the edge of the table. This is positive y direction. So this point is y equal to 0 and the length of the small element is dy and the mass of the element is dm. The mass of the total length of the chain is capital M. So per unit length, the mass will be M by capital L. So the mass contained in length dy will be equal to M by L into dy. So this is the mass of this small element and this is equal to dm. First we will see what is the work done by the external force to bring this small element over the table, and then we will integrate it to find the total work done to bring the total hanging part. So first I am going to draw the free body diagram of this small element. So this is our small element dm. So the forces acting on this small element dm is, one is mg force. So mass is dm here and g, and one will be the external applied force F external. So now we will apply work energy theorem. So from work energy theorem, the small work to pull this small element over the table is dw, that is small work done by F external, plus small work done by mg force is equal to change in kinetic energy. Since initially this mass is at rest and once it will reach over the table, it will again come to rest. So its initial and final speed is 0. So its change in kinetic energy will be also 0. So from here we can write that dw F external is equal to negative of the work done by mg force. Now we will see what is the work done by the gravity force to bring this dm over the table. So I am doing here, that is dw mg is equal to, that is work done by gravity force is equal to mg, which is here dmg, and it will move to what distance? Y distance, y, and displacement is upward and gravity force is downward. So the angle between gravity force and displacement is 180 degree. So it will cos 180 degree, and cos 180 degree is minus 1. So this is equal to minus dmg into y. So we will substitute this value here. So we got small work done by F external is equal to minus of dwmg, which is equal to minus dmg into y, which is equal to minus minus plus. So dmg into y. So this is the small work done by external force to pull this small element over the table. Now we will integrate this small work to find the total work to pull the total hanging part over the table. So total work done by external force is equal to integration of the small work done by external force. Now we will put dWf external from here, which is equal to dmg into y. Now we will substitute the dm value from here, so it will become m by l into y g dy g into y. Now we will take the constant term outside the integration, so m g by l, and this is our y into dy. Y, and the limit of y is from y equal to 0 to y equal to l by n. This end is having at a distance of y equal to l by n. So y equal to l by n. Now we are going to integrate this. So mg by l, integration of y with dy is y square by 2. Upper limit is l by n, lower limit is 0. Now put the upper limit and then lower limit. So we will get mgl by 2n square. So this is the total work done by external force to bring the hanging part over the table. And if the question will ask what is the work done by gravity force, so work done by gravity force is negative of the work done by external force from work energy theorem. So this will be negative of this value, minus of mgl by 2n square. Now we will see the second method to solve the same question. Now we will solve the same question with the help of center of mass concept. So the center of mass of the hanging part will lie at the midpoint of the hanging part. That is, it will be here or at a distance L by 2n from the top edge. So I am drawing the center of mass here. And this is lying at a distance of L by 2n from the top. And I am assuming the mass of the center of mass of the hanging part is small m. So first we will calculate this small m and then we will proceed. So in total length L, mass is total m. So in unit length mass will be m by L. So the mass of the hanging part, that is mass contained in L by n length, is equal to m by L multiplied by L by n. LL cancel out, so this is equal to m by n, and this is the mass of the center of mass, and this is our small m, that is mass of the center of mass of the hanging part of the chain. Now we will apply work energy theorem. So two forces are acting on the center of mass. One will be the external force and one is the gravity force. So work done by F external plus work done by gravity force is equal to change in kinetic energy of the center of mass. Initially the center of mass is at rest, and once the center of mass will reach on the table, again it will come to rest. So its change in kinetic energy will be 0. So from here we can write that work done by F external is equal to minus work done by mg force. So first we will calculate the work done by mg force. So what is the work done by gravity force? Gravity force mg into displacement, which is equal to L by 2n into cos theta, where theta is the angle between gravity force and displacement. Gravity force is downward and displacement of center of mass is upward. So here angle is 180 degree. cos 180 degree is -1, so minus minus plus, so this is equal to mg L by 2n, and the value of small m that we calculated earlier is capital M by n. So we will substitute here m by n gl by 2n. So this will again become mgl by 2n square, the same result we got earlier also. Now we will see one numerical. So now let's see one question. A chain as shown in figure having mass small m or capital M and total length is capital L. 2/3 length of the chain is above the table. The question is asking find the amount of work done to pull the hanging part over the chain. So first, what is the length of hanging part? The length of hanging part will be L by 3 because 2/3 is over the table. So this length will be 1/3, that is L by 3. So as we calculated earlier, that is work done by external force is equal to mgl by 2n square. And what is n here? N here is 3. So put the value of n equal to 3 here. So this will become mgl by 3 into 3, 9 into 2, 18. So this much work should be done by the external force to bring the hanging part over the table. Suppose in the same question they will ask find the work done by gravity force. So work done by gravity force will be negative of the work done by external force as we discussed earlier. So this will become minus of this quantity mgl by 18.